Hello, it's Ernesto. Today is a very dreary, spooky October day, so I figured that we would take this opportunity to get into the mood and write some music. But we can't do that yet. I have to go to a dress rehearsal, specifically for steel band, so I'm gonna go do that first. I also want to go and take a walk, but we'll see if we have time for that later. Let's go. It's really dark out. Very dreary. Okay. It's important to practice music, especially if you're a composer. Just write something. It can be whatever. But as long as you just write every day, you practice. That's what's most important here. And you know what? It's October. Let's try making something a little spooky. I don't know. We're gonna start off with something and we'll just see where it goes. Yeah, let's try our best. Let's fire up Logic here. So spooky. Thinking some synths. I'm thinking maybe like a celeste. I would also like to use a soft piano. Gotta add some strings. What else can we add? Harp. Let's add harp. Sounds like garbage right now because it's not mixed, but I assure you that it'll sound better once I finish mixing it, which will be way after I finish this rough. All right, I'm only gonna write a few more sections. It's not gonna be crazy long. It's not gonna be a super huge piece, but I do still have some more ideas. Wrong sound. I think the way it's written, it's fine. Now I gotta mix it. Okay, I think I'm finished. I'm gonna let it play at the end of this video so you can hear what it ended up sounding like. Looks like the rain has finally let up a little bit, so I'm gonna finally go on my walk. But until next time, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at Ernesto Composer, and you can visit my website at ernestocomposer.com. Thank you so very much for watching, and as always, take care.